Greetings, welcome back to CS133, Practical Programming with Python. This is the practice for date time. So again, assuming that you already did this, this is the answer key to it. So pause as needed, and so on. All right, let's get to this. So first practice, import date time and display the month. So let's pull up stuff we already have. So we import date time. We need to get the current date time, and we're going to print X, but we want the month from it, so conveniently you just type in month, right? Type in month. As an example we gave in the actual lesson, year worked, but it's a month. So this just gives us a 6, right? That's the current month that I recorded this in. But let's bring this to another level so you can actually start putting stuff together. So we're going to go ahead and grab our imports again, right? So we're going to have these two again, import date time, grab the current date. So we have date time, we have the current date, and most of us aren't used to, well, it depends, but if you wanted to turn into something, we could have the full entire things in here. But let's go do this cur month, and what we're going to do is get the index of this, right? Now, you need to understand this is a great throwback to our list, so we need to get the actual index of this. The month is 6, however that's not its index, so let's do the x dot month, right, which we know is an integer, and we need to get the array, so months bracket, right? If we do this again, 6 is not the 6th index, right? We run this and it's not going to give us the 6th index. So we also got to print it. Print cur month. Right? That's not the 6th month. So you have to adjust -1, right? Because 6 is the month, but the index will be the 5th one, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the 6th month, but it's the 5th index. So, and this is something you need to understand a lot of times when you're trying to get stuff, like that it's the 6th item, but that's not its index. So now when I run this now we get June. So if we wanted to make a nice little, month, day, year, we could format our own little formatting. So that is all there is to it. Make sure you do your journal entry, and we will see you next lesson.